Imagine waking up every day early in the morning by sitting right on the beach with the super marvelous kind of views, and in the evening saying goodbye to your whole day with this kind of amazing view of sunset. Hello guys, my name is Rizwan and you're watching Habigo Properties YouTube channel. I am here to explore the latest project of Nakheel, which is beachfront apartments by Nakheel on Dubai Island with the private beach access and the marvelous views of Dubai skyline and Marina View as well. This project is very similar to Blue Water Island with total 256 units located direct on Marina district. If we talk about the amenities, this project is offering you absolutely insane kind of amenities. We're talking about 21 kilometer of the long beach. We're talking about 9 marina clubs, a golf course, Oasis Island living. We're talking about gyms, spas. We're talking about infinity pools, private beach access, 24/7 private security, and a lot of the kids play areas for the kids activities. If we talk about the location, you are exactly 7 minutes away from Nikki Beach. You are 10 minutes away from downtown and Burj Khalifa, 10 minutes away from DIFC, around 15 minutes away from DXB International Airport. So this is a kind of perfect location for you as a self-use or as an investment as well. If we talk about the price, still the prices in the Dubai Island, it's underrated over the time now, and it will be appreciated very near in the future, because if you see the vision of the government, which is by Nakheel in the Dubai's real estate, the vision that they are providing you or they are giving you, Dubai Island is having a lot of kind of signs that you will not be able to find in the other islands like Palm Jumeirah or Blue Water Island. These islands have their own facilities or their own USPs, but this island, it's specifically located right in the middle of Dubai's coastal line. So that's why the importance of this location, it's a huge, and the demand in the future, it will be huge as well. Finally, if we talk about the prices of this project, which is Bay Grove at Dubai Island, you are getting 1, 2, 3 and 4 bedrooms of the apartments over here with the huge kind of sizes. 1 bedroom is starting from 1.85 million dirhams. 2 bedroom is starting from 2.64. 3 bedroom is starting from 4.35. And 4 bedroom is starting from 7.60 million. And if we talk about the payment plan, you're getting the 70-30 payment plan, which is exactly divided as 20% down payment and then 5% or 10%. It's splitted like after every 4 to 5 months. And during the construction, you will be paying 70%, and at the handover, you will be paying 30%. The handover of this project will be in 2028. So there is a lot of the demand right now in the market for the beachfront apartments, because the supply in the market, it's very limited. So I am going to give my number on the screen. This launch of this project, the launch of this project is going to happen by 16th of October. But right now they have opened the registration. If you are interested, I am going to give my number on the screen. If you are locally based, you can call me anytime, or if you are internationally based, you can just drop me a WhatsApp. I would be very happy to answer all of your questions regarding this amazing project. So don't forget to subscribe my channel, like the video and share, and you can also give your suggestions in the comment box. I will see you in the next video. Till that time, take care. Bye-bye.